Welcome to Zometric, a manufacturing operations management system with built-in augmented intelligence. We're not just a software vendor, we're your digital transformation partner, helping you achieve sustained profitable growth. From operators to CXOs, we empower teams across quality, production, maintenance, engineering, R&D, and excellence to achieve measurable KPI breakthroughs. Our interconnected modules, powered by Industrial IoT, data science, and AI, deliver real-time alerts, enable seamless coordination, and provide actionable insights across teams. The goal of Zometric's digitalization is to empower manufacturing operations to improve KPIs. And when KPIs improve, business metrics like costs drop, risks reduce, revenue grows, and profitability rises. So how does it work? We start by replacing paper-based manual data capture with paperless capture through tablets or shop floor PCs. Data from previously isolated machines is automatically collected via APIs and stored in a central database. Zometric's data science and AI/ML engine processes this data continuously. When it detects anomalies, instability, or drifting trends, it sends real-time actionable alerts to the shop floor for quick manual or automated corrective action. Meanwhile, rich analytics and on-demand dashboards give managers and senior leaders a clear, real-time view of one or more factories. One of the biggest impacts of digitalization is improved 6M traceability, which accelerates problem-solving. For example, combining real-time alerts with traceability can pinpoint the root cause of defects faster, improving quality and reducing the cost of poor quality. Real-time insights into asset downtimes can also improve utilization of bottleneck operations, boosting throughput and ensuring on-time delivery. Traceability further strengthens compliance with SOPs, customer requirements, and regulatory standards. All these are operational KPIs directly linked to cost, risk, and revenue, and together, they drive sustained profitable growth. Ready to explore your factory's path to profitable growth? Let's connect and make it happen. Here are some of our happy customers.